What's up, guys? This morning I had to wake up kind of early, and we have like an hour and a half, 2 hour drive over to the west coast of Florida. Whenever we go out west, what are we normally doing? Dyno stuff with Martin. So if you remember, we were missing a part of the wastegate for the S15, and now that we have it, the car should spool a little bit faster, so we're going to just get him to check it over, give it a retune, actually with a softer spring as well, just because the car's making a little bit too much power and frying the tires off. But if you notice, while we're out there, I got my bike, I got some spare fuel, and I'm taking the BMW on top of the S15. So I'm out here, I can spend some time with some friends, some family, just mess around and have some fun. A little change of scenery, kind of get burnt out of shop stuff. So should be fun, and a good couple videos coming up. So the dyno that Martin normally uses at Z-Fever is busy today, so we're at a different place called Proven Power. I know Cletus has been over here, but my first time being here, so it should be fun. So I guess the main reason why we came here instead of Z-Fever wasn't because Z-Fever was too busy. I guess this dyno is the same as Titan, and Martin wanted to be able to overlay the two graphs to see the difference that having that new piece inside of the wastegate makes. But we did just find out, after not being able to make any less than 950 wheel, that this entire time we've been essentially running with no wastegate because we were missing one of the caps in the wastegate. So whether that rattled out or was never put in originally, the car's been basically running full tilt at that turbo. So we should probably go ahead and replace that turbo, but it's pretty impressive to think that it's lasted this long, essentially running a capped off wastegate. So kind of crazy, but now we got the plug, so we're gonna try to make a little bit less power to not fry the tires off so much. You know what I'm stoked about, Pat? That means we never done heard this wastegate.
It's insane.
Martin, how crazy is this that we haven't blown up this turbo?
It's a tough turbo. I mean, that's pretty amazing. This thing is spinning as fast as it possibly can. We don't have a speed sensor in it, so we never do with this long. But that just goes to show you that the turbo is how tough they're built for motorsport applications.
Garrett quality. I think that's spring pressure. Look at this thing making more torque than horsepower. Martin thinks we just had some sort of clutch failure.
Clutch in, clutch out.
While I'm out here, I'm gonna head over one of the very long Tampa land bridge water conjunction traffic monstrosities to go hang out. Tampa. So we're in the BMW. I thought it would be cool to add towards the end of this video. When's the last time you've been in this car? Was it in Connecticut? Or have you been in Florida?
I don't think I've been in. Have I been in this one? Not a 4-seater. I was in a white 2-seater.
This is a 2-seater. Or sorry, this is a 4-seater. You've been in this car. I just don't know if you have since we did the single turbo setup on it.
I doubt it.
Yeah, so anyway, we gotta run an errand. I thought it'd be cool to put a GoPro on the exhaust. I don't know if it's gonna shoot flames or not. It's kind of hit or miss with how it tends to backfire, but I thought my mom might enjoy the car, so that's it.
both in Connecticut.
I'm pretty sure it was this.
And you were impressed because I didn't stall it.
But that was pre-single turbo, so this car was like stock then, and it's a little bit faster now.
At the traffic light, take left.
Okay. You're more than welcome to drive this car on the way back, but I think you'll hate it. It's like very, very, just like, that's floored. Like you have to really, really drive this car at high RPM, and I know you don't like doing that with cars.
Hey, I'm doing good on my car now. I'm having a blast with, oh my God, look what's in front of us.
Oh my God, it's your car. What are the odds? Do you see them often?
No, I know. Remember how I said I saw one and I had to do a double take?
Yeah, that's funny. I mean, he's in your hood too. I thought it was so funny. I saw one on the highway that had a turbo like yours. The dude had like gauges, is like all stoked on it and stuff. I was wishing you were there to race him.
I don't know if the lights are the same. Watch the dip right here.
I think we'll be alright. This car's not that low.
Okay. These seats are comfortable.
Yeah, they're not bad. Kind of miss the stock seat. This one's like nice and all, and it holds me in tight, but not the most comfortable thing in the world.
Well, that's because you can't move it.
Brakes are good.
Gee, thanks.
No worries. You think you're ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Adam! No, 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 no! I don't like that. Get over.
I didn't make the pop noises though.
No, 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 no. You just gave me a heart attack.
That's good. That brought me back to the 240 video. Where is it that we need to turn in?
After that traffic light, I think I'm having a heart attack.
That was good.
No, it wasn't.
Car's quick, huh?
I didn't think you were going to do that.
What did you think I was going to do?
I don't know.
That's funny.
No, I just see dumb idiot drivers pulling out in front of you.
No, it's okay. We stopped. Like I'm very careful to not do pulls when there's other cars that can like merge in front of us, because it's very risky to be like going at a fast rate of speed by a car, because you never know if they're going to merge into you. So
that's why you scared me.
Well, the big brakes come in handy, because big brakes slow down fast.
We do need, yeah.
I'm sad it didn't pop for you. The pops are what's cool. It's finicky. Sometimes it likes to pop, sometimes it doesn't. But the pops are sweet.
I guess I'm not one to like stuff like this.
Oh, we had the AC on. That's why it was so slow.
No, 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 no.
I just gotta try to get a pop. Not in traffic.
Not here.
No, no, no.
Not here.
Not here.
Please, no more.
I guess it only pops at night.
No more.
So, I promised everyone that I would have the pops and the big flames in this video, and apparently the car doesn't want to do it. So I guess what I'll do is I'll put a GoPro on the car tonight, which you guys will see in tomorrow's video, because it's like a same day upload right now. And then hopefully we'll get some cool pops and flames. But you can still see how much better the no-lift shifting is now compared to all the delays that it had before. Are you okay?
I don't know.
Can you tell them to thumbs up the video for me? It's okay, because I made her car fun, right? Okay, bye.
Stop! That's not funny.
That was fun, huh?
No!
Why not?
Now I'm upset because I asked you not to scare me and you did.
You scared me.
How did I scare you?
You slipped the clutch.
So?
What do you mean so?
I don't like that. I don't like